enjoying these glorious spring days? Because I know I am. I have blue sky days, and I wanted to show you from this window, but look at the light. It's just too bright, and the brightness is too backlit to be able to show you all this cuteness. We are going to make an Easter arrangement today, and you can use it on your dining room table, you can use it on a buffet, a side table, anywhere you want to put an arrangement just for Easter. And you could make it just for spring, but you'll see why I'm specifically making it for Easter. And you don't have to make it this tall, you can make it as short as you would like. I already had this vase, so I'm going to use it. And I actually have one that's 4 inches taller, but I thought that would just be really too tall. I'm not going to use mine as a centerpiece on a table, so I don't mind that it's tall, but if you don't mind a tall centerpiece on your table, be sure to make one tall. But you can make them much shorter depending on the height you want. But what you will need, other than this vessel or a vessel similar to this, is cute peeps. Now this is what makes it look extra Eastery, is the peeps. So you can get these in several colors. I think they're in yellow. I believe I saw them in a light green and a pale blue. So be on the lookout for whatever color you're looking for. And then I'm going to use these candy Easter eggs, and they are wrapped in pastel colors. You know Hershey's Kisses aluminum, like aluminum foil? That's what these are wrapped in. And then I'm going to use Easter basket grass. Now you can use the traditional green Easter basket grass, but I found this in pastel. And I'm going to use those pastel colors. And I had this in my crafting area, and I only have it out in case I need a lot of the grass to put in it. I'll put this in the center. It's just white to use for any type of occasion. If you're making a basket of cheeses and wine or something like that, you use this. It's crimped paper, basically, is what it is. And this is also paper. I found these at Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for pastel Easter basket grass, go to Dollar Tree. And I'm using artificial flowers. It takes a lot for me to use a lot of artificial flowers, but because I'd much rather use fresh flowers. But I'm planning to leave this arrangement out for the remainder of the season until the end of Easter. So instead of changing the flowers out constantly, I'm just going to use what I have, and that is these springtime artificial flowers with some, like a raffia grass. And I apologize for the reflection on the glass. It is the ring light that's in front of me, but I couldn't figure out how to avoid that reflection. So let's get started. I had to go get a pair of scissors because I realized all this packaging is going to be open. So we want to start with our Easter basket. The pastel is my favorite, so I'm going to start with that. And let's see what colors we have in here. Just looking at it, it looks like it's pink, green, and yellow. So that is what we're going to use. I'm gonna try to just mix it up. Wonder if that would work. I saw a picture of this arrangement on Instagram last Easter, and I just didn't have time to make it, but I saved that picture, and I just love the idea. I'm not going to mix that up too much. I'm kind of thinking that perhaps we could somewhat layer it. I don't know. What does that look like? That's not bad. And that's just one of these little bags. Once you open it up and fluff it out, it fills up the space. So I have the green, yellow, and pink. Now at this point, if you have decided you want to use live flowers instead of the artificial flowers, take a clear vessel. It can just be a drinking glass, and place it down here like this so you can put water in it and replace your flowers every day if you want to. If you have daffodils growing in your yard, you can go out, cut them, put them in. When they start looking wilted, then replace them. But I'm not going to do that because I don't have daffodils growing. I don't have a lot of flowers growing yet. because we're doing a lot of lawn work. We're getting ready to do some renovations on the lawn, and I haven't planted anything. So I'm relying on the grocery flowers and artificial flowers at this point. Now we're going to put the Easter egg candies in, and I'm going to open this bag. I don't know how many bags I'm going to need. I may use them all just for effect, but you want to drop those in. Oh, I already love the look of it. See, I was hesitant to call this green because it's almost a turquoise color. That's very green in this candy, but it's going to work. I'm going to put those all the way around, and you really don't care about the center. It's the outside against the glass that you want to show all the candies and the colors. I'm just going to place them all in here because it looks so darn cute. I'm on my tiptoes trying to reach down in here, and I'm moving these around so I can get them against the glass because I love that metallic look. Very cute. They had them that weren't a metallic look. They were just a matte finish candy without the wrapper. And I thought, no, because I might want to eat these. So I want them wrapped. Oh, how cute is that? Loving this look. And I don't want to squish it all down in there. Let's fluff it back out. That's cute. Now that we have those done, let me get these rattly packages out of the way. Put them in the trash. I'm not going to need this after all. And I have leftovers. So remember, if you make this, you may only need one package, depending on the size you're going to use. One is plenty. I mean, I could sit and fluff this more and make it even more cool. So we're going to put these to the side. Now let's take our peeps. They actually had 2 shades of pink, and I couldn't decide, so I just went with a bolder color. I think keeping hungry hands out of the arrangement is going to be a problem. But you know there are going to be some little fingers trying to find their way to these peeps and that candy. But let's press these little guys against the glass. Oh, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. And just keep rearranging these peeps and candies until you get them exactly the way you want them. I'm trying to get mine completely symmetrical. I think I'm going to have to sacrifice one of those peeps later because I have too many in the container. And just keep working at it until you get exactly like you want it. I'm going to lift that up just a little bit more because I'm getting ready to put the flowers in. What do we think? He's a little crooked. Let's see if we can straighten it out. Okay, I think we have it. We have it layered with the candy and the peeps. Now, I'll have this after we finish. This is the extra one. And then, oh goodness, look, these are still open. I use less than 2 boxes of peeps, and there are 10 chicks per box. So just buy 2 if it's a, I don't know how far around that is. I didn't measure it. And if you have leftover peeps, you know they're going to be eaten. So now we're going to put the flowers in. And remember, if you're using flowers that are not artificial, you can place that glass right down in the center. I probably should have put the glass in here even with the artificial flowers because it would have made it less cumbersome. I don't know which would have been better, with the glass in it or without, because if I had the glass in the center, then it's going to be difficult to get those peaks exactly like I want them. And they're still a bit crooked. I'm going to turn this around and move these guys up. There we go. That's not too bad. I think that I will work with it a little bit longer and get it a little more layered. I wouldn't mind moving these up under the chicks. And I might get another package of the candy eggs and do that. So you get the general idea of the Easter egg basket. You have the Easter basket grass, you have the Easter eggs, and you have your peeps. And then you have your spring flowers. And I think I am going to set this on a side table and enjoy it until after Easter. It's just so darn cute. And I just love the idea of preparing for the holidays. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you know, if you're not a subscriber, you can tap that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Bye.